Detailed syllabus for the post of refrigeration mechanic HER Health Services. Category number 457/2025. Total mark 100. Safety 2 mark. Fitting 3 mark. Module 1 Fitting sheet metal and welding. Sheet metal 2 mark. Welding 2 mark. Module 2 Electrical. Electrical 3 mark. AC motors 3 mark. Motor starters 2 mark. Module 3 Electronics. Electronic components 2 mark. Refrigeration tools, instruments and equipments 4 mark. Fundamentals of refrigeration 5 mark. Module 4 Basic registration. Different types of registration. Different types of refrigeration system 3 mark. Compressor 5 mark. Condenser 3 mark. Module 5 Refrigeration equipments. Cooling tower 3 mark. Expansion valve 3 mark. Evaporator 2 mark. Module 6 Refrigerant 5 mark. Refrigerator direct cool 3 mark. Module 7 Refrigeration system. Frost free refrigerator 2 mark. Refrigerator inverter technology 1 mark. Water cooler and water dispenser 2 mark. Module 7 Refrigeration system. Visible cooler and bottle cooler 1 mark. Deep freezer display carbine 2 mark. Ice cube machine softy machine 1 mark. Window air conditioner 5 mark. Module 8 Air conditioning system. Split air conditioner, wall mounted, floor ceiling, cassette mounted ductable 2 mark. Multi split air conditioner 2 mark. Inverter split air conditioner 1 mark. Ice candy plant 1 mark. Ice plant 2 mark. Module 9 Commercial. Refrigeration and air conditioning system. Walk-in cooler and reach-in cabinet 1 mark. Cold storage 3 mark. Psychrometry 4 mark. Module 9 Commercial refrigeration and air conditioning system. Central air conditioning system HVAC plant 3 mark. Package air conditioner air cooled water cooled condenser 1 mark. Split package 1 mark. Module 9 Commercial refrigeration and air conditioning system duct 4 mark. Air filter 3 mark. Car air conditioner 2 mark. Module 10 Automobile air conditioning. Mobile air conditioner bus train 1.
ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോ ഇവിടെ അവസാനിക്കുന്നു. വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടാൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാനും ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാനും കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനും സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത്. എല്ലാവർക്കും നന്ദി.